Seems to be a lot of cases of drunk driving accidents and stuff like that, where somebody in the other car is injured or, God forbid, killed. And so what recourse would I have if I was hit by a drunk driver? And, you know, what is there any difference than someone who's sober and hits you? What?
A lot of it is the same, but there are some key differences.
Okay.
So the initial process is the same. It's a car crash case. So what we do is we put all the insurance companies on notice, your insurance company, the insurance company, the person that hit you, that chose, the driver that chose to get behind the wheel while drunk. We'll let them know that we're representing you. We'll let them know that you sustained injuries, and that we also are in receipt of evidence that this person may have been under the influence. And a lot of times that comes in the form of an arrest record or some sort of narrative from the officer that comes out to the scene. If not, there are other ways you can prove that someone's intoxicated. If someone's wearing one of those nightclub bands, if you smell alcohol on their breath. These are all questions for a jury to decide whether or not someone can or cannot be negligent, or whether or not they were or were not intoxicated. Just because an officer doesn't come out to the scene doesn't necessarily mean we can't make the argument. And then the second part is there is another form of damage that you can claim against that drunk driver that's different than just a normal, I messed up, I didn't see you, cause the car crash. If you get behind the wheel and you're drunk and you cause a car crash, we could potentially go after you for what are called punitive damages. Usually punitive
assets, things like that?
Could be assets. So a lot of times insurance companies won't cover you for if you get a punitive damage award against you. Compensatory damage is what we usually get. It's pay for my medical bills, pay for my injury, pay for my lost wages. Punitive damages are, I am going to penalize you, the court's going to penalize you for doing something that we know is dangerous, for getting behind the wheel and causing a crash. So this is an award telling you that you did something wrong and that you need to pay him, and that's even over the injury. So that the injury question's not even taken into account. It's just how much do we want to punish you?